I was afraid of that. Word problems take so long to explain. But the nice part is, this is the last video and it won't take very long. Okay, so we are absolutely almost done with this one. I promise. Yes, I really do promise. So, 1 over, because it takes 9 hours to fill it. So it's positive. Twice as long is 18 hours. But it's not filling it, it's actually emptying it. So that's minus 1 over 18, or I could have done 2 times 9. But I know that 2 times 9 is 18. So it's asking, how long will it take to do the job? So I'm going to leave that as 1 over x. And I'm going to put this into Desmos and let it do it for me. I love Desmos. Desmos is our good buddy friend. I'm just telling you. And it might be your best friend this semester. So 1 divide 9, arrow to the right, minus 1 divide 18, arrow over, equals 1 divide x. And make it smaller, make it smaller. Oh, there's our line. Make it bigger so you can see the number. And guess what? There's only one answer, and it tells us x is 18. Yahoo! So, and like I said, Desmos is absolutely our friend. Now, the very first time I taught this, I had taught this type of problem so many times, but I had never taught it like this. And I had never expected it to be taught like this. So it took me about 10 minutes in the middle of class to figure it out. And I thought, I'm going to know how to do all my problems before I come into class from now on, because I never expected to be caught with one that I didn't know how to do. So that was a learning experience my very first time. So so we have distance is equal to rate times time. Well, I was always used to having a time and having to figure out rate or distance. I'd never been given an overall time for both up and downriver, so I had never had to do it this direction before. So we have an overall time. So what we've got is time is equal to distance over rate. The problem is we've got a distance upstream and a rate upstream. We've got a distance downstream, and we've got a rate downstream. So we've got to change our formula. So this was a brand new way of doing this for me. So distance current, and this is how I want you to do it, rate time up, down. So, the current is 4 miles an hour. Current is 4. A boat travels to a point 30 miles upstream and then back. 4 hours. So 30 miles upstream, 30 miles back downstream. Now, here's the trick. Your rate, if you're going upstream, upstream slows you down. So your rate is 4 miles, your current, 4 miles slower because you're going upstream. But downstream, you're being pushed 4 miles an hour faster. So that's kind of neat. Then it says, what is the speed of the boat in still water? So that's what you're trying to get to, and that's what x is. X is the speed of the boat in still water. So T is this formula. So your distance upstream divided by your current or your rate upstream plus your distance downstream divided by your rate downstream, and all of that is equal to your overall time. So it took you 4 hours going upstream plus downstream. Throw that all into Desmos. So fraction bar, 30, arrow down, x minus 4, over plus fraction bar, 30, arrow down, x plus 4, over equals 4. And it tells you x equals 16. It will only give you one at one time. There won't be a positive and a negative. It will only be one answer. Whew! That was a big, fat, hairy lesson. And for only 10 problems, this is a big set of lessons over that. But there was a whole lot that had to be explained. So if you've got questions, email me.